Supercharge your productivity by seamlessly linking your tasks in Ticktick to your projects in Notion, all automated with Zapier. This tutorial will guide you through setting up a Zapier integration that automatically sends your Ticktick tasks to a designated Notion database, keeping your project management and to-do lists perfectly in sync. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. You'll need accounts for both Ticktick and Notion, and a Zapier account if you don't have one. You can sign up for free. Once logged into Zapier, click the big Create Zap button to start building your automation. This is where the magic begins. For our trigger, we'll select Ticktick, choose New Task. As the event that will initiate our automation, Zapier will then ask you to connect your Ticktick account. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Ticktick tasks. After connecting Ticktick, Zapier will likely ask you to test the trigger. This ensures it can pull in a recent task from your Ticktick account. This step is crucial for confirming the connection is working. Now, let's set up the action. We'll choose Notion as our action app. The event we want to perform is Create Database Item. Similar to Ticktick, you'll need to connect your Notion account to Zapier. Once your Notion account is connected, Zapier will prompt you to select the specific Notion database where you want your Ticktick tasks to appear. Make sure you've already created this database in Notion with appropriate properties like task name, due date, or project. This is the most important part, mapping the fields. You'll see fields from your Ticktick task on one side and fields from your Notion database on the other. For example, map the task title from Ticktick to the name property in Notion. You can also map due date, priority, or any other relevant information. Carefully review your mappings to ensure all the data is flowing correctly. Once you're satisfied, click Test and Review to send a sample task to your Notion database. This will allow you to verify the integration's accuracy. Finally, if the test is successful, all that's left is to turn on your Zap. Now, every new task you create in Ticktick will automatically appear in your chosen Notion database, keeping your workflow streamlined and your productivity soaring.